Okay, so for today's video, I'm going to share with you guys a tip I'm going to teach you how to use your phone for editing your YouTube channel. Just like you want to put ad breaks on your video. So I'm going to show you that how by using your phone. So just as usual, open your browser, Chrome, and wait a minute. Open the Chrome browser, then just be sure that it's on desktop mode, as you can see. Then press the content, then press the video. Then if you are monetized already, you can see this option. Okay, so press the monetization. Then there, if you want to have your video, if you want to have your video that many ads or something like that, you need to have at least 8 minutes of videos. Okay, 8 minutes, more than 8 minutes, so you can edit your video, and you can see this option, this one, manage mid-rolls. Okay, but if your video is not that long enough, like it's less than 8 minutes, you can't use this option. You can't see this option here. So just like this. So this video is 19 minutes and 17 seconds, so it has this option. So you can press this mid-roll, manage mid-rolls, then you can press here. As you can see, you see this gray bars there, here, then here, then here. You can see those gray bars. Those are the ads that YouTube automatically put. So you can add if you want more. Okay, if you want more to ads to be added on your YouTube, just press, if there's a space, enough space, okay, just press here, then add break. There, as you can see, there's a blue bar there. That's the new ad break. Okay, so that's it. And if you want to have it here too, then you can add again, then there. That's very simple, right? So there. Actually, almost all of this, sometimes it's not, it depends on the ads if it shows. Okay, so there, you can put as many. I don't know if there's limitation for this, but I really don't know. So there, that's it. So you can add break, then just continue, then save it. Don't forget to press the save one. Okay, then you can also pick if you want skippable videos or non-skippable video ads there. So for me, it's non-skippable. Yeah, it's up to you. Then save. So that's it. That's really fast, right? So there, that's the tip for today. So again, let's do it again for the last time. I'm going to show you the less than, I think I have a video here that's less than 8 minutes, like this one. As you can see, this is only 7 minutes and 27 seconds there. So if you press monetization there, as you can see, there's no option. Manage mid-rolls are none. Okay, so if you want to put a mid-roll ads on your video, it should be more than 8 minutes video, 8 minutes long. Okay, so there. So that's it. As you can see, almost all of my videos are more than 8 minutes. So you can put many ads as you like. But it's really not that for the viewers. You know what I mean? It's really not that fun to, you know, to watch a video that has so many ads. So you can just put 2, 3, or 4 videos at a time. So there. As you can see, this video is 32 minutes, almost 33 minutes. So it has this manage mid-roll option. So we can press this again. Then, as you can see here, there are so many ads that YouTube put already. So I think I don't need to put another, but I'm going to show you again how. So there, just press this, then ad break there. As you can see, there's the blue bar, and there. If you don't want this, you can just delete it, just like this one. You can press the bars and you can see where it is, just like this one. I want to delete this one. Wait a minute, let's delete this one. There, you can press that, then delete. As you can see, it's gone. Okay, so there, that's how it is. So I want to put ads here. So there, I put another ads. I delete, then I put again another one in a place where it's, you know. So there, so continue, then save. Don't forget to press the save button. Okay, then here, if your video is not monetized, your YouTube channel is monetized but the video is not monetized yet, just press here, then turn it on. Don't forget to turn it on. It should be like this, green. It should be on green $sign. Okay, so that's it. That's the tip for today's video. I hope you learned something new, and yeah, so that's it. So if you like this kind of videos, tips in YouTube monetization and everything, just comment down below, then hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. See you on my next vlog.